So guys, right now I'm just waiting for my network to connect. Like I've been searching for network for about 20 minutes now. It will on, but it will not be that. I just don't know this area. My house, the network is just bad. Like searching for network just to connect to your laptop and trade like 20 minutes, no network still. It's not still on. So right now, I just want the network to on, then we'll see how the trade played out. But I want a favor or a hit stop, a hit break even. So that's the only two things that can happen at this moment. Whether I hit break even or it went in our favor. Since after I took the trade, I didn't on my because it was midnight and my phone was running low, so I just off my data, went and charged it. A whole lot of stuff, so I couldn't on my this morning that I bought the data. And if the network is correct and I on, you'll get a whole bunch of notification on my phone. Then let's see how it goes. Right now I've on my data, but it's not on. Though it's on, but the power is not there. It's just so let's see how it goes. Okay, guys. So right now I'm connected, and let's head on with the search. This laptop is different from the one that I normally use. The one that I normally use, it makes a lot of background noise. The fan and everything inside just make noise. So I don't use that one. Video. This one is my brother's own. If I use that one, you're not going to hear anything. Only noise. I don't think my account is still logged in. Maybe my brother logged out because I was having an account here. But I think he logged out, so I have to log in again. Let me log in. Let's see what's going on. Let's go to sign up and sign in. And the phone that I'm using to connect, that's not my own phone. The particular phone is very slow. Very slow. So why the sign up button is doing why since I came to a dashboard like this always okay, it's here. Let me pull this one off and oh, if I do this it's supposed to go. Sign in with my own Google account, so I need to sign in. Yep, so guys, I just signed in. So let's go to product, let's go to super chat and let's see what's going on. So guys, the trade hit my TP. This was the trade. How come like on my phone, my trading view dashboard, like the home screen is if you enter trading view it's on USDJPY. And here automatically to is on USDJPY. Is it because it's the same account? Yes. So the trade hit TP. One and looking at it here, this is it. This is a trade. Trade smart TP. This was a very nice trade. You could have pulled for 1:4. I knew very well that I could have pulled, but I mean huge drawdown. So 1:3. Wow. So yesterday around this level, this was where I saw the trade. Like where I left the trade and I never checked the chart again since yesterday. It was around here. So immediately it was around here, I went and broke even and that was it. I never saw anything till today. So I think if my own phone, the network is back, I'll now get a notification from the broker from my alert. Because I had an alert at take profit. I had an alert at take profit. And this was the trade. So let me just break down the trade for you guys. I predicted the entry, the move from here, but entering around here with this huge resistance levels, see, the only place that you could enter with confidence was right breaks out of the resistance level. That's the only place that you could enter That's a very high probability place that you could enter. But entering within here with all this rejection from this zone is yes something else. So immediate price broke out. Though I didn't enter early, I should have entered somewhere around here. I still delay with my entry, but I just said that I just hit the button and actually trade. And the idea of the trade was from the higher time frame. So let me reduce this thing. I want to reduce my screen so that it won't be this huge. So is it control plus this? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I always love it this way. This way, the screen is somehow big for you to get to analyze well. So this was a trade on USDJPY. So if I go back to my 1 hour, let me go back to my 1 hour. See how the breakout happened. Very nice breakout. So actually, I don't do any huge analysis. Analysis is just simple. These are the only three horizontal lines that I have as my analysis, and this is based on the 4 hour. When markets open, the 4 hour broke out of this whole all-time resistance here, here it broke out. And what caused that breakout? This impulsive move. You can see how price moved to that area. Here high, a low. This was the recent high. This was the recent low. This was the recent low. So it gave us a new high. So this was the recent high that got broken. I marked out that level and I marked out this recent low based on the higher time frame. Then I was expecting price to give us a correction back to this level based on the 4 hour and then on the 1 hour. If the correction is coming back on my 4 hour time frame like this, I'm waiting for it to shift in the 4 hour before I start looking for trade. I will not go to the 1 hour to start looking for it to shift. No. If the correction is coming back to lower the lower high on the 4 hour, I wait for it to shift. So this was what I was expecting. But power on, I saw that price didn't want to drop again. It gave us this resistance level. It dropped. If you look at this place, it was very simple. It gave us this high. It rejected. It dropped to this level. It tested this resistance level. I don't know why my network is really tested this resistance level. Then gave us this full body. When they give us this full body, for my 1 hour, I was expecting to see a retracement back to it. There's a support level or a retest around here on the 1 hour. Then I'll be looking to buy. So let's go back to the 1 hour. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is it. So when it retested this high again, it draw back to the support level. So if you look at the support level, pushed to the upside, it came back to the test here. So let me show you where price, I was expecting price to retest. I knew price had bullish momentum, but I couldn't just enter from here. I waited for price to give me an entry above this resistance level, then I'll enter. So if I should remove this one and show you how I was expecting the retest, it happened the way I was. So 1 hour gave us that retest, it dropped. It gave us this dropped. It wicked around this area. So this was like a low bottom. It wicked around this area before moving to the upside. So I was waiting for a retest here to enter. But I needed that type of information from the high time frame. I didn't just want to use this 1 hour structure. So the high time frame was telling me we're bullish, 1 hour was bullish, and everything. So if I was buying, I was on the right path. That was one of the key things. The trend, everything, 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minutes, everything was bullish. So immediately price started correcting to this level on the 15 minutes. It was bearish. So I just needed it to flip the trend from bearish to bullish, then I enter. But I'll be waiting, even if it flips the trend back, it has not yet break out of that resistance level. Like, I don't know whether you're understanding me or not. Even if price flips the trend, as you can see, I know others will not understand. So let me remove this one and show you what I'm talking about. So I knew on the 15 minute, 1 hour, we're bullish. This was 1 hour move and I was waiting for the price to retest here. Then chances of me breaking the resistance was very high. Chances of me breaking the resistance was very high. But I cannot enter within this range because the resistance is still a resistance level and anything can happen. It can still retest and just drop. So I needed everything, this correction to shift and break structure, to break this resistance level that I entered. So let me show you on my 1 hour, my 5 minute chart, what it is. This was a beautiful trade. Like the zero drawdown because I entered around and it just gave me a little drawdown that I push. So as you can see on my 5 minute, it gave us a low test. So here, this was a support level. Anytime price get to this level, there are chances that it's going to push to the upside. So it broke it, just said it dropped, then it broke out. So 15-minute break or a 5 minute break of structure, it tested this level. Since this level is already support level, when price got here, what did it do? Push to the upside. So chances of price pushing to the upside is better. That's why I had my stop loss below the support level. Maybe price broke out, I entered. But I can still come retest and push to the upside. So the best way to keep my stop loss was below the nearest support level, which was this level. Let me remove this one and go to the 15-minute chart. So that's just the idea behind this trade. And it just played out very well. So the only thing is now my network will come. I'll go to my own PC, then I'll just journal the trade and everything. So I'm done for today. Today is Tuesday, and this is my first trade of the week and second trade of the year. First trade of the year was a loss, second trade a win. So that's good. So let's see how it goes. But let me download this page. So if I held this trade more, I would have made 1:4. But 1:4 is the best for me since it's been drawdown. So right now, there's all this. So we talk about the reality of trading whilst working, how it's very hard. So I'll catch you up.